Where do you want to go today? Get there with the Journey Zoomer. This innovative battery-powered mobility chair is engineered to navigate your home and your neighborhood in style. Zoomer is easy and fun to drive. You have full 360-degree control at your fingertips. One-handed joystick steering moves you forwards, backwards, and side to side. You'll be zooming around in minutes. Your speed is managed by both the speed range you select and how far you push the joystick. Indoors, Zoomer can navigate through tight spaces, letting you roll right into any room. And it's designed to fit under most tables and desks. Ready to go outside? Zoomer folds flat in seconds. And at under 50 pounds, it's light enough to pop into your trunk or back seat. And it's just as easy to unfold and get going. And when you're ready to get moving, Zoomer's ready too. It can handle inclines up to 10 degrees. You can zoom around on grass, dirt, and small gravel. And the Journey Zoomer has a tight turning radius. It can literally turn on a dime. With breathable honeycomb mesh seating, it's a comfy ride too. The Journey Zoomer can go up to 8 miles on a single charge. Now that's a joyride. Get on your Journey Zoomer and go have a little fun, or even a lot. Because enjoying life never gets old. The Journey Zoomer is a battery-powered mobility chair designed to make getting around a whole lot easier. But when you want to stop for a moment, you don't have to transfer to a different chair. The Zoomer is built to fit right under most standard tables and desks. And when you're ready to get moving again, just pull back on the joystick and zoom on. The Journey Zoomer is a joystick-controlled mobility chair you can control with just one hand. So, let's get moving. You can put aside these boxes and remove your new Zoomer. It's just 52 pounds, lighter than most powered mobility products. Simply pull this cable, and just like that, the Zoomer unfolds. Remove the joystick with its mounting bracket from the box. Attach the joystick to whichever side you want to operate. In this case, the right-hand side. Screw the joystick in here, tightening both screws with the provided Allen wrench. Feed the joystick cable and connect it to the power cable. Remove the battery from its packaging and snap into place, between the rear wheels. To charge, simply plug the power adapter into the charging port under the joystick control panel. The red light shows that it's charging. When fully charged, the light will turn green. When these two red levers are moved forward, the Zoomer can be pushed like a manual wheelchair. But let's push them back now to engage the motor. Let's get ready to zoom. Power on. You can see the charge level here. Use these plus and minus buttons to set your speed. Here's the horn. Look out, everybody, because we're ready to drive. Which is simple. Just move the joystick in the direction you want to go. It's very simple to drive. Forward, left, right. You can even do a complete U-turn in place. And now you're ready to zoom out into the world.
To begin using your Zoomer chair, simply roll the folded chair into place. Gently pull the release cable to unfold the Zoomer to the seated position. Once seated, press the power button and use the joystick to control the chair's movement. The Zoomer has a very tight turning radius. You can control the speed of the Zoomer by simply pressing the plus or minus buttons. To prepare your Zoomer for transport, Gently pull the release cable again and fold the chair. It remains in the folded position until the release cable is pulled again. To manually move your unfolded Zoomer, put it in freewheel mode by flipping the red levers. This is convenient for caregivers or simply moving your chair out of the way. To remove the battery, swing the locking mechanism out of place and simply pull the battery out. Reverse this procedure to install the battery. As you can see, the Zoomer is very easy and simple to operate and can...
Journey Zoomer is a battery-powered mobility chair engineered to make it easy for you to get around. So, of course, Journey made it easy to transport too. 0 tools required. Simply pull the release cable as you pull up on the frame, and Zoomer folds to just 12 inches in seconds. Roll it like a piece of carry-on luggage. And at under 50 pounds, it's light enough to pop into your car. No ramps or lifts needed. Zoomer is just as easy to unfold and get going. Pull the release cable and grab the frame at the same time. Pull up and unfold. It's that easy. So get on your Journey Zoomer and enjoy. Because enjoying life never gets old.